a really big Guardian heat pump. The model number HP048X1321A. The serial number is WOK7284150. It's a nice unit. It's a lot similar to mine. It's just, at my house, it's just bigger. I don't know when this was installed. I'd say it's not original. Could be wrong. A.O. Smith fan motor. And see, mine does not have a flat fan grill. This one is flat. Mine kind of goes up. It's interesting. Filter dryer. Really nice unit. Today's Father's Day and my granddad is at my house right now, and it appears to go that disconnect box right here. I guess the compressor's over in this area because it's loudest over here. Nice unit. Again, it's a big one. Yep, you know where we are. If you guys have been watching my YouTube channel for a while, then you know where we are. Here's a... It's in good shape compared to these. Sounds quite a bit different than mine. It's a lot quieter than mine at my house. The footprint on it, I don't know how in the world that's going to. And I rode my scooter over here. Hopefully we don't get into trouble because there was a sign that said no rollerblades, skateboard, so I'm going to try and get out of here real quick after I'm going to go see if the train Voyager is running, and I'm going to get out of here. But you know what? All these have footprints on them. I don't know. Is someone walking on these things? Very nice. Suction lines get nice and cold and sweaty. There's the data sheet. Alright. Well, pretty shortly here, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. So, one last look at it, one last walk around of it. It's all the lines. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And we're going to go see if the train is running, and if it's not, then we're going to go ahead and head out. So, that's it.